Maribel Resendez. I'm the site lead for El Capitan After School program. So far, as someone that's come in outside, never heard of Quiq Labs, I'm not from here. I learned about you guys through our vendor thing in August. So as soon as we were able to have you come out, we've had kids do photography. So we have a photography enrichment, and then we have the cooking enrichment. And then we've done the 2 field trips back at your site. With photography, they've been kind of going around campus, getting like abstract images and using the iPads and stuff, and then doing editing with it. So I've seen the kids, just kind of hopping around. They've been able to make so much different food. I was actually really amazed at how much their personalities came out with it. Some of our kids surprised us with their skills and their little professionalism when it came to showcasing what they've made. That was really cool.
Tell me what you guys did today.
Today we made spring rolls by hand. We dipped them in the water and we were just rolling them up, and they tasted good. And we also made a sauce for the spring rolls, and it was spicy, but it was really good too.
Hello, my name is Mr. Moua. I'm an after-school program tutor here, and I'm basically teaching enrichment about cooking. Quiq Lab here is really cool. All the students, they really enjoyed it. They explained a lot that they've learned a lot about cooking here. They enjoy the friendliness and the quality time that Quiq Lab staff spent with them here. And as a staff here too, I'm glad that I have them over here. Even as a staff, I actually learned a lot with Quiq Lab. So hopefully we get more time with them, and then as well as we get to do other stuff, other activity other than cooking with Quiq Labs. As if I remember, we did pico de gallo. Also, we did spring rolls and tacos. I don't think I remember the other, but then my favorite one so far was the pico de gallo, because it's also something that I do a lot at home, and there's actually a lot of twists that you could do it for the pico de gallo.
Hi, I'm Miss C, and as you can see, my class is having a lot of fun with photography. As you can see, it kind of speaks for itself. They're having a lot of fun with photography. I chose to do this enrichment because I thought it would be a nice way to express themselves. So having Quiq Labs come in was a really good way to complement that, and especially bring some skills that I myself don't have. They're having a lot of fun.
So far, it's been a great experience. Just a few minutes ago, I got asked if you guys can keep coming back, so I'm gonna look into what else you guys offer and have our kids kind of take off doing more and go out there definitely more. Now that I realize how close you guys are, and the kids loved it, we're definitely gonna look into more enrichments.